Hi, I'm Robert.
And I'm Hannah.
And we want to help you make the most of your summer with some serious fun from Lowe's Outdoor Game Series.
The kind of fun you create for yourself, right in your own backyard. Like, say, the incredibly challenging drop or knot game. It's easy to get just what you need from Lowe's.
Building and customizing this game requires modest DIY skills and about an afternoon of your time.
To start, you'll need wood, dowels, chicken wire, paint, plus a couple of Lowe's buckets to hold the plastic balls.
The tools you need include a miter saw, jigsaw, wire cutters, and of course, proper safety gear.
The first step, of course, is finding the perfect spot to set up a new game on your deck or patio, and then getting the area cleaned up.
Next, we're going to build out the base of the game with 4 2x4s cut to length. This forms the frame of the base that the 4 20-inch 4x4 wood legs are attached to.
Once that's built out, it's time to give the base a good coat of your favorite summer color in an exterior paint. We went with a nice sky blue.
Then, use a 24x24-inch square sheet of 3/4-inch pre-cut plywood as the top of the base, and mark an 18-inch diameter circle in the middle using a nail, pencil, and string. Go ahead and cut it out with your jigsaw.
Give that plywood top a contrasting paint color, like, say, a cheery yellow. Once it's dry, you're ready to screw it onto the rest of the wood base.
Now on to the 3-foot-tall chicken wire that needs to sit tightly inside the opening of the base. Trim the excess and secure it together with several zip ties. After it's all together, secure it to the base using a hammer and cable staples.
Next up, spray painting the 20 wood dowels cut to 24 inches in length. Here's another chance to give the game some pizzazz with a variety of summer colors.
It's time to add the balls. Just load up the top of the cage with 30 of them. And don't forget to place a Lowe's 5-gallon bucket underneath to catch the falling balls.
Now you're ready to try out your fantastic creation. See, you have to have the right touch.
Nice. My turn.
Each player uses their own bucket to track scores. Whoever has the fewest balls at the end wins.
Okay, it looks like I lost. For detailed instructions on building your own drop or knot game, check out the description below.
And also check out videos for other great ideas in Lowe's Outdoor Game Series.